All right, today I'm gonna talk about how to allow scripts in Adobe After Effects. Let's go to Window, and I wanna open one of the extensions, which is Motion Bro. And then look, please go to Edit, Preference, General, and turn on checkbox. Allow scripts to write files and access network. All right, so we're gonna do that. You go to Edit, and if you realize you don't see anything that says preferences, right? But guess what? If you are familiar with After Effects, what you're gonna do is, oh yeah, I know where preference is. So you go to General. That script set to go to General. Okay, this is what happened. You go to General, and now you're gonna look for Allow Scripts to write. So you go here, you don't see nothing in here. But look, this is General. Go all the way down here, Scripting and Expressions. Look, error here. How do we fix that? Look what we have over here. Click in Allow Scripts to write files and access network. Then go to OK. Okay. Well, it didn't happen. Let me see. Let me turn this back on. So that's unfortunate. Got extensions, whatever program you have. And oh yeah, there you go. Voila. Now I have all my stuff that I've been saving for years. And there you have it. That's how you allow scripts to write files and access network. That's the whole name of it. So when you're in After Effects, they're gonna tell you to go to Edit, then Preferences, then General. Then what you're gonna do, if you are in a Mac, especially if you are in a Mac, then what you're gonna do is to go to After Effects, Preferences, and then from there you can actually do whatever you need to do. Remember, once you open the preferences, it's not in General. You need to go to Scripts and you have to go to Scripts and Extensions. That's where it's going to be. All right, see you later.